Hi, in this video we are going to demonstrate how to wire a 4-channel junction box with your cable. So we do have a couple different cables here. We have our 5 prongs and our 4 prongs in the stainless steel and PVC. And we also have 2 junction boxes here, our plastic junction box and our stainless steel junction box. I'm going to, for this demonstration, we're going to use the 5-prong cable here. So first, what you want to do is we're going to open up your junction box here. Here you have 4 screws. You're going to go ahead and unscrew those and then open it up. In here, in the junction box, you'll see here you have 4 channels, 1, 2, 3, 4. You know that these are channels for the load cells because of these towers. These towers correspond to each load cell. They allow you to tweak the load cell and adjust it so it is accurate. This is done during in the manufacture when before it goes out to the customer. If you are getting a weighing kit, you may need to do that when you have it all set up. This last port here is for your home run cable. The home run cable is going to be the cable that you're going to be connecting your indicator to. So in this case, we have this 5-prong stainless steel cable with 5 wires here. So here, if you will look closely, you do have some writing here. Excitation minus, sig minus, shield, sig plus, and excitation plus. So these are the 5 spots you're going to put your cable, your home run cable into. So for excitation minus, this first one, it is going to be your black cable. Sig minus is going to be your white cable. Shield is going to be your yellow cable. Sig plus is going to be your green cable, and excitation plus is going to be your red cable. So here, you're going to go ahead and open up that. I'm going to take this. Always remember to put this on, or else you will have to unwire it and put it on. You're going to go ahead and feed it through. Right about there. You can go ahead and tighten this so it doesn't move around. So here, you're going to use your cables. So excitation minus is going to be black. So here you have your screws here to loosen it, and you'll see it go down. Okay, so here you're going to separate your cables. First you're going to put your black here. And you're going to tighten it up. Make sure it's tight. Once you have it nice and tight there, you always want to pull on it just to make sure it doesn't come out. There are instances where that cable is loose, it pops out, and then during calibration, it's not calibrating, and you wonder why. Here, next, it's going to be white. You're going to go ahead and put it there. And sig minus, go ahead and tighten it up. Nice and tight, and check it. It's good. Yellow, your shield. Put it in, tighten it up, give it a little pull, it's good to go. Your green, sig plus, Tighten it up, check it, and the last one, red, with its excitation plus. Tighten it up. There you go. Give it a pull, and there you go. So now you have wired your home run cable. This cable, again, it goes to your indicator, okay? And you wired it straight up into your junction box. You're gonna do the same for your load cells if you need to, but if you're just replacing a home run cable, this is the one you're gonna be replacing. For a plastic junction box, you have 6 screws. As you can see, I already have it unscrewed. You're gonna open it up. And in here, you can see you have your 4 towers here. Again, these correspond with your load cells. You're gonna put a load cell here, a load cell here, a load cell here, a load cell here. And here is gonna be your home run cable. As you can see, there's no tower next to it, so that's how you know it's your home run cable. And on the very bottom, you can see excitation minus, sig minus, shield, sig plus, excitation plus. So you'll be wiring it again the same way. We'll go ahead and put a diagram in this video so you can see it, as well as the diagram will be on our website, SelletonScales.com. Thank you for watching. If you do have any questions, please give us a call. Thank you very much.